Hello everyone, my name is Damini and today we are going to learn sunset acrylic painting. It's completely a beginners friendly course and anybody with no prior experience in painting or drawing can take up the class. In this class, you will learn how to create acrylic painting, how to blend colors, how to give various effects, how to make reflection on top of water and make a complete scenery. Don't worry if you haven't held a paintbrush in a long time. I am here to guide you step by step. You can follow the process and make a beautiful scenery painting without having any prior experience. Once you make it, you can show to your friends or hang it on your wall or just keep it as a memory. I invite you to join the class and I look forward to seeing you in the class.